Explore the essentials of business analysis in our latest video, which demystifies the pivotal role of business analysts. We delve into how certified enterprise business analysts are instrumental in driving organizational success, underlining their strategic contributions to corporate growth and efficiency.
Business analysis is all about recommending solutions for organizational challenges or problems. Business analyst helps an organization to march towards its vision. He or she prepares the organization to be future ready in terms of its operations. Organization is defined as an amalgamation of people capabilities, process capabilities, and system capabilities. At a macro level, a certified enterprise business analyst does one or more of the following activities for his or her organization or client. Number 1. To identify the new capabilities required and help the organization acquire them. Number 2. To discover the mismatch between the three types of capabilities and align them. Number 3. To augment capacity. Sometimes the capability is there, but it is not enough for the current scale of operation. Number 4. To forecast the industry trends and prepare the organization accordingly. Number 5. To forecast the customer and consumer preferences and communicate them internally. Number 6. To collect business intelligence and suggest product improvements. At a micro level, the business analyst will be eliciting information from various stakeholders and giving shape to that information as requirements. Document the information and validate it. The business analyst communicates the requirements across the stakeholders and brings alignment to the requirements. He prepares process maps so that the workflows can be better communicated to the stakeholders. Business analysts are also responsible for various documents such as business case, business proposal, requirements specification document, etc.
To attain mastery in business analysis and progress in your career, please explore physics certificates and micro certificates in business analysis. The website link is available in the description below. For more details about our business analysis training, business analysis certifications, and business advisory services, please visit our website.